all these tokens you are seeing here that are making 100%, 1000%, 2000%, you can see this particular token over here have already made 1554%. okay, and this is roughly 16s, okay, 16s of your money, meaning that if you have bought this token from right the time it was being listed with 10 USDT, you would have been making 155 USDT, and if you have bought it with 100 USDT, you would have been making around 1550 USDT. So, but the major key point here is that, as you can see over here, I have filtered this particular token. We are on a trending token here. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys on how you can actually start trading spot in with a little token and make a whole lot of money in all these the gens. Okay, this is meme and the gens. Okay, so actually this particular token is called Kate. Okay, most of you guys know about this particular case, so I'm gonna be going to 1 hour time frame to share this particular update strategy with you guys. Okay, also remember I have a free Telegram group, you can join me, and on daily basis, if you want to be getting this particular signal on a coin that we are trading, what we are buying, you need to join my VIP group. It costs you only but 30 USDT for you to join my VIP, so that you can be getting signals on all these kind of coin. Okay, you can actually make, if you are starting with 5 USDT, 10 USDT, you can actually make 2s, 5s, 10s, 100s on daily basis with this kind of strategy, which we are actually using over here. Okay, so let me go to this particular place, because this particular coin have actually made more than 10s today. Okay, so first of all, also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This kind of trade, you can actually lose money in it. Okay, it's not a financial advice. Okay, and also remember, if you want to learn arbitrage, you want to learn how to actually make money in crypto in consistent way, like P2P, the one that doesn't have much risk, okay, and have a high profit target income, you can join my class. Okay, I also have a class, but it's not for free. For you to join my class, it's gonna cost you a little token for you to join. Okay, so once you have actually joined my inner circle, I can now be able to teach you how to actually go about this. Okay, so in this particular place, you can see that this particular Health Global Holdings Incorporated just launched a token. Okay, let me see over here. Okay, so this token have actually been in existence for some months. Okay, so how to actually make money from this particular place is immediately you see the thriving of this token, the time the token want to actually go up, you can target from that particular place where you'll be seeing 100%. Okay, we have a specific kind of coin you can actually use to do this. Okay, and most importantly is that you need a new token, just a token that is being launched for today. Okay, for you to be able to do this. Okay, so as you can see over here right now, the token have actually made a lot of money before going down. Okay, so the strategy is when the coin is, let's say, is now in 1 million, the coin went to 2 million market cap, or yes, 2 million market cap, then the coin now deep down to 500 market cap. What you actually need to do, because it can happen within 30 minutes or more. Okay, so what you need to do is to buy with you can buy with 5 USDT. Okay, now when you have bought this particular token with 5 USDT from 1 million market cap, then the next thing you need to do is to wait. If the coin continue to go down and not to reverse to 2 million market, if the coin reverse back to 2 million market cap, what you have made is 5 USDT. Okay, But if the coin now go the other side, which is to go down back again, the coin now went down to below the 1 million market cap, you need to wait for it to come down to at least a minimum of 600k market cap. So once you get to 600 market cap, what do? You buy with another 10 USDT, doubling the one you bought the first time. Okay, so this is actually how you can make a lot of money, and immediately you find out that the coin continue to dip down to let's say 400 million or 350 million market cap. What you need to do again is to buy with another 20 USDT. So in total, what you have putting in is 35 USDT. Okay, now watch how the magic actually work. Okay, now do you know that immediately the coin reverse, because the market normally goes sideways? Okay, see, since even if since it is a meme and the coin is dipping, going up, going down speedily, there's no cause for alarm. It is actually the first time or the major way you can actually make quick profit, 2x, 3x, 4x. This is how it actually was. So the next thing you need to do is for you to wait. Okay, within some minutes, let's say 10 minutes, 30 minutes, you can actually join my VIP group if you want to be getting such coin on daily basis. Okay, so what you need to do, immediately the coin recovered back to 701 million market cap, you will find out that you have actually made up to 40 USDT. Okay, yes, you have actually made up to 40 USDT with just as low as your 35. You have actually made 2x. So the way it works is that the last one you bought from 350 is 20 USDT. So by the time it's coming back to 700, 800 market cap, you have actually, that particular one have actually made 25 to 30 USDT or even 20. It have gone more than double of the one you bought. So you double down, as you double down, you increase the money. So now when that particular token have actually come back to 1 million market cap, it simply means that all your money have been recovered, both the one which is 10 USDT, 20 USDT, you have made 30 USDT, and you are now running in good profit. Okay, so but one thing you need to be very careful. That's the reason why you actually need to join my mentorship, so that I can mentor you on how you can actually go about this. Is because in most this particular strategy work 80 to 85% win rate when you understand the right coin to buy. Okay, some people can actually go ahead to buy a coin. Let's say you can see this particular coin over here. Some people can actually go and buy anyhow random token. Okay, and when they have actually buy this particular random token, they can actually lose their money because they didn't buy the right coin. Okay, so if you want to know the right coin to buy, what you need to do is to you can send me a message on my WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so you can join my class where I teach you how to find the right coin to do. In so doing, you can be on your own and be doing this. Okay, so when someone have bought the wrong coin, what happened is that when the coin is dipping, it might not reverse the opposite. Okay, you can now be seeing something like this. You can see since this coin came to this particular place, it has been very hard for you to even do 2 or 3x. Okay, so you need to stay away from this kind of coin. So I will show you how you can actually see coin that will not actually perform well. Okay, so thank you. Peace out.